Hey there, holiday lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited because we are going to talk about one of the biggest and brightest holidays of the year, Christmas. Have you ever wondered, why do we celebrate Christmas? Where did it start? What's the story of Santa? Why do people decorate Christmas trees? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. A long time ago, over 2000 years ago, Christmas began as a special day to remember the birth of Jesus Christ. Many people who follow the Christian faith believe Jesus is the Son of God, who came into the world to bring love, peace, and hope to everyone. Christmas, celebrated on 25th December, marks the day they believe Jesus was born in the town of Bethlehem. For Christians, it is a very holy and joyful celebration. But in the early years of Christianity, people didn't celebrate Christmas the way we do today. In fact, many Christians at that time weren't even sure when Jesus was born. There were no specific dates or established traditions for marking his birth. Before Christmas became associated with 25th December, the Romans were celebrating a different festival on that day, Saturnalia. This was a pagan holiday in honor of the god Saturn. During Saturnalia, people gathered to feast, exchange gifts, and even decorate trees. It was a joyful, festive time that everyone looked forward to each year. When Constantine, the first Christian Roman emperor, rose to power, he wanted to unite his empire under Christianity. Since Saturnalia was already popular and took place on 25th December, many believe Constantine chose that day for celebrating the birth of Jesus. By selecting 25th December, he combined Christian beliefs with long-held pagan traditions, helping Christianity feel more familiar to many people in the empire. A few years later, in the year 350 AD, Pope Julius I officially declared that the birth of Jesus Christ would be celebrated on 25th December. From that point forward, what we now know as Christmas began to take shape. Over time, this new holiday spread throughout the world, gathering more customs and traditions, eventually becoming one of the most widely celebrated holidays on the calendar. What does Christmas mean today? Even if someone isn't Christian, Christmas often feels like a time of happiness, kindness, and giving. It's a time to remember that caring for others is really important. Many people decorate their homes with lights, wreaths, and trees, and hang stockings by the fireplace. These decorations turn our homes into cozy, magical places. All around the world, people celebrate Christmas a little differently. No matter how they celebrate, the main idea is to share joy and show love to one another. The story of Santa Claus. Now, let's talk about someone very famous this time of year, Santa Claus. Not many people know that Santa Claus was inspired by a real person named Saint Nicholas. He was a monk believed to have been born around the year 280 in a place called Patara, near the town of Myra in what is now modern-day Turkey. Saint Nicholas was known for his kindness, generosity, and big heart. He came from a wealthy family but chose to give away all his possessions to help the poor and needy. Legends say he was very smart and even started reading the Bible at just 5 years old. Over time, many stories spread about Saint Nicholas' good deeds. When he passed away, people claimed to have seen angels around him, guiding him to heaven. His reputation for giving gifts and helping others lived on long after his death. As the stories were told and retold, Saint Nicholas' image changed and spread to different parts of the world. Eventually, these tales became the legend of Santa Claus, the jolly figure who is believed to live at the North Pole, ride a sleigh pulled by flying reindeer, and leave presents for children in stockings or under Christmas trees. This is how Saint Nicholas' kindness, practiced so long ago, continues to inspire joy during Christmas today. The tradition of Christmas trees. After Thanksgiving, people start putting up decorations, playing Christmas music on the radio, and shopping for gifts. By the way, I've already created a video on Thanksgiving. The link is in the description or at the end of this video. You might see giant Christmas trees in city squares, like the famous one at Rockefeller Center in New York City, USA. But have you ever wondered when and why people started decorating Christmas trees? Let's take a quick journey back in time. Many believe this tradition began during the Middle Ages in Europe. At that time, some churches used evergreen trees as part of Christmas celebrations. These trees, called paradise trees, were decorated with red apples to represent the story of Adam and Eve. Over time, people began adding more decorations to these evergreen trees, not just in churches but in their homes as well. By the 16th century, candles started to appear on these trees, adding a warm glowing light to the apple's bright red color. Eventually, people also included nuts, berries, and small homemade ornaments. As the idea spread from one region to another, these simple decorations grew more creative. In the 1800s, glass ornaments, tinsel, and later, electric lights made the tree even more eye-catching. Today's Christmas trees may look very different from those early paradise trees, but the heart of the tradition remains the same. One more thing, have you ever wondered why we sometimes call Christmas Christmas? That's because X is the Greek letter Chi, which is shorthand for Christ. Thank you so much for joining me on this festive journey. If you learned something new, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun and interesting videos. Wishing you and your family a wonderful, warm, and joyful Christmas and Happy New Year. Keep smiling, keep sharing, and spread the holiday cheer. Happy holidays, everyone!